What's up guys, your boy JC. Welcome back for another video. As a couple days ago, the stay-at-home order has been extended until mid-May. So I've been really trying to do like little things here and there on the golf to just keep content up on the channel. But so let me show you guys a few things that I've been doing. So one of the things I did was get rid of this old muffler. And I put on this stock GTI one. Now while we're down here, I just wanted to show you guys like some rust stuff that I've been doing. So one of the things that I did like over the winter last year was grind down some rust and hit it with POR. So I'm just showing you guys that here. And basically before you brush on POR15, they recommend that you hit it with their degreaser first. Keep it wet for about 30 minutes, rinse it off, and then hit it up with the metal prep and keep it wet for 30 minutes and then hit it with POR15. So I've done all that on these areas that were kind of suspect. This rear beam I'm hoping to drop sometime this winter because it needs bushings anyways, and we're gonna have this like sandblasted and powder coated. But you can see that the work doesn't stop there. Like these rear proportioning valve brackets have to come off as well, and you need to powder coat those. But you can see that I still need to grind down some areas back here and hit them with the same kind of method. You see that section over there? I'm probably gonna hit that today. So I'm just gonna use that little section to show you guys how I do things. There's no science to it. It's just a wire wheel attached to a drill. And you start hitting the areas, right? So I'll show you that. All right, y'all, so once you've hit it with wire brush, then you hit it with a degreaser. Go ahead and hit that now. And here I'm just showing you a couple more spots that I grinded down off camera. So we're gonna apply the same treatment there. Yep. All right, after about a half hour, you wipe those areas down, kind of like, you know, pat them dry or whatever. All right, don't have to be all gentle with it. Just wipe it down, right? As good as you can. And then hit it with the metal prep, right? And then let that do its thing for about a half hour. Alright guys, and this is what it looks like after I brushed on the first coat of a POR. So we're gonna give this a couple hours to dry and apply a second coat later on in the afternoon. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Later on, we're probably gonna get more product to do these brackets here and the frame rail. And there's a few more spots down there up front, but I mean, we're just picking away at it, but I just wanted to show you guys the process. Like I said, these brackets on either side and the rear beam are going to be dropped sometime in the winter and get sandblasted. Yeah, it's coming along, you know. This is a car that we're going to be driving in the summers only, so hopefully that, you know, extends its life for a little more. All right, guys, and this is just applying like the second coat of this stuff. This stuff is amazing. POR15, if you guys are watching, shout out to you guys, man. If you could send me more of this stuff, that'd be great, so I can promote you guys further and finish my car. But yeah, this stuff is amazing. So just give this time to dry, and that should make this car last a little longer. All right, guys, just a couple things before I end the video. So number one, I know the proper way would have been to put the car on a rotisserie and flip it over and just redo the whole undercarriage. Fortunately, I don't have the time and money to do all that, so I just did my best with what I had. Number two, it's apparent to me now that I could have peeled back the undercoating further back to expose some more of it and just do a better job. But I think what I'm going to do instead is just hit those areas up that I did with POR15 with some high build stone guard, and that should solve that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you again, guys, for all your support. As always, set yourselves apart, and until next time, peace.